In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in Sellfy. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, plus some quick tips so your product looks polished and ready to sell. First, log into your Sellfy account and head to your dashboard on sellfy.com. The dashboard is your control center, and it's where you'll add new items to your store. Next, look at the sidebar on the left. Click Products, then select Add New Product. This opens the product setup screen where you'll choose what kind of item you're selling. You'll see 4 options for product type. Choose Digital Product if you're offering downloadable files like PDFs, audio, video, or software. Pick Physical Product for items you'll ship. Use Print on Demand if you want Sellfy's printing partners to fulfill orders for things like apparel or posters. And choose Subscription if you're charging customers on a recurring basis for ongoing access or content. Select the one that fits best. You can always come back and make changes to the product details later. If you chose a digital product, you'll be prompted to upload your files. You can drag and drop them right into the uploader, or click Browse to select them from your device. Sellfy lets you include multiple files for a single product, or bundle everything into a single zip folder if that's easier for your customers. Give your files clear, descriptive names so buyers immediately know what they're getting when they download. Now add your product details. Start by naming your product with a title that's short, specific, and easy to search. Write a clear description that explains what it is, who it's for, and what buyers will receive after purchase. Keep it straightforward and focus on benefits and key features. Set the price that reflects the value you're offering. You can update this anytime if you want to run a promotion or adjust your strategy. Then upload preview images so shoppers can see what they're buying. Use clean, high-quality visuals and make the first image your best one since it's often what appears in your store grid. When everything looks good, click Save Product. That's it. Your new product is added to your store and ready for customers to view and buy. Repeat the process for each item you want to offer, and you'll build a professional catalog in no time. And if you need to make changes later, open the product from your products list and update the details. It saves instantly.